ॐ खानिलाग्न्यब्धरित्यन्तं स्रक्षणीवोद्गतं यतः वान्तच्छिदे नमस्तस्मै हरये बुद्धिसाक्षिणे शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। नैष्कर्म्य सिद्धि श्लोक नंबर 92, पेज नंबर 56. According to Jaimini Maharshiji's matam, how they refuted आमनायस्य क्रियार्थत्वात् अनर्थक्यम अतदर्थानात्. How did they refute this vakya?
By saying that the statement applied only to Vidhi Vakya to do karma and not to Vedanta Vakya. That was
it.
Brahma Sutra would have been not there because Brahma Sutra is there.
You have to tell me. You have to tell me the exact vakya given by Jaimini Maharshiji or Purva Mimamsakas to refute Amnayasya Kriyarthatvad Anarthakyam Atadarthana. You know what is the meaning of this vakya? Amnayasya Kriyarthat. Amnaya is only for the sake of Kriya. Means Veda talks only of Kriya, Karma. Any vakya which does not have Karma is having Anarthakyam, means it is of no use. Purva Pakshi said this to Jaimini Maharshi. This he said for which kind of vakya?
Vidhi Vakya?
No, Vidhi Vakya has karma. Why would he say for Vidhi Vakya? Amnaya is only for Kriya. Other Vakyas have Anarthakya. What are those other Vakyas?
Vidishesha.
Like what?
Suarodit.
Soarodit. Soarodit. Such Vakyas, which are Arthavada Vakya. What was Jaimini Maharshi's response to this Purva Paksha?
विधि शेष वाक्य शेष
विधिना तो एक वाक्यत्वात् स्तुत्यर्थेन
Vidinam. This is the answer. Vidinat vekavakyatvat stutyarthena vidinam syuhu. They will have ekavakyata with the vidhi vakya. So arthavada vakya or any vakya which are siddha bodhaka vakyas, they will have ekavakyata with karma bodhaka vakya or vidhi vakya. So the subtle things, if you don't grasp, studying Naishkarmya Siddhi or Atma Bodha is same. There is no other difference. Siddhi Grantha, if you are studying, these things you have to pick up. According to Jaimini Maharshi Ji, Atma is Dehadi Vyatirikta. First line on 56 page in Tika. देहांतर उपभोग्य स्वर्गादि साधन अग्निहोत्रादि विधि अन्यथानुपपत्त्या प्रमितस्य देहादि व्यतिरिक्तस्य आत्मनः निरवयवस्य आत्मनः. So Atma, according to Jaimini Maharshi ji, is Dehadi Vyatirikta and Niravayava. Why that Atma is not Savayava? What will happen if Atma is Savayava?
Vinash.
Vinashi. Yatra yatra Savayavatvam tatra tatra Anityatvam. Yatha Deha. Deha is Savayava. Deha is Anitya. So if you say Atma is Savayava, Atma will become
Anitya.
Anitya. Atma is undesirable for any darshana. Therefore, Atma has to be Niravayava. And that Atma is Dehadi Vyatirikta because it has to depart from here. So if it is Dehadi Vyatirikta and Niravayava, in that Atma, Kartrutva Anvaya is not possible. Such Atma, why do you have to accept? Why can't you just say Deha is Atma? So he gave the reason, Arthapatti Pramana. Dehantar upabhogya swargadi sadhana agnihotradi vidhi anyathanupapatya. Agnihotradi vidhi, which are given in Vedas. Agnihotradi vidhi, when they are performed, they will generate a punya, which is Vishesha Punya. That Vishesha Punya, for its bhoga, you have to go to another place, which is called Swarga. Because here, that phalam is not available. So, Dehantar upabhogya swargadi, tasya sadhanam agnihotradi. So, you have to accept some such Atma whose bhoga cannot happen with this body in this loka. Now, if such Atma is Niravayava and Dehadi Vyatirikta, such Atma cannot have Kartrutvam, even according to Jaimini Maharshi. You see, but when we do karma, then we say, I am so and so in this Gotra, born in this Nakshatra, this Rashi, and other 25 things that we tell. All of that, is it about Atma or Atma associated with body?
Atma.
Atma associated with body.
Who is born, who has Gotra? Atma doesn't have Gotra. Deha has Gotra. Who has Rashi? Deha has Rashi. Who has Nakshatra? Deha was born in particular Nakshatra. Then that Nakshatra Rashi. So, Gotra, Nakshatra, Rashi, all of them, when they ask, when you do puja, is only when Atma is associated with body, even for Purva Mimamsaka. By itself, Atma is Dehadi Vyatirikta. And that Kartrutva is Parispanda Parinama Lakshanam. There will be Parispanda. Parispanda means activity, Parinama modifications. So, if I say I am Karta, means modifications will be there and change will be there. Parispandanam means activity, means change. So how Niravayava Atma, which is Dehadi Vyatirikta, can have Parispanda Parinama Lakshanam Kartrutvam? This is the main point. Therefore, according to Jaimini Maharshiji also, Atma is not Karta. Atma cannot have Kartrutva. Nacha Prayatnashrayatvenapi Kartrutvam Prayatnasya Antakarana Dharmatvat Anityasya Nityatma Gunatva Anupapattescha ityartha. Prayatna Ashrayatvenapi Prayatna Ashraya. So Purva Pakshi mein se Prayatna Ashraya is Atma. Siddhanti is not going to accept. According to Vedanta, Prayatna Ashraya is not Atma. According to whom Prayatna Ashraya is Atma?
Purva Pakshi.
No, who is the Purva Pakshi? Because according to them, Jnana, Ichha, Yatna. Prayatna means Yatna. Yatna is in Atma. So, Nacha Prayatna Ashrayatvena api Kartrutvam. Why? Siddhanti will say Prayatna is in Antakarana. Prayatnasya Antakarana Dharmatvat. Prayatna is Dharma of Antakarana. Anityasya Nityatma Gunatva Anupapattescha. Anityasya Nitya Atma Gunatva. Atma is Nitya. Prayatna is Anitya. Anityasya Prayatnasya. Nitya Atma Gunatvam. Prayatna, which is Anitya, if it becomes Dharma of Nitya Atma, Atma will become Anitya. Why? Because when Prayatna is there, Atma will appear in one way. When Prayatna Dharma is absent, Atma will appear in different way. Just like physical body. When you are exerting, physical body looks one way. Let's say it is tired, sweating, exhausted, or lot of Rajoguna. And when that Prayatna is over, it is different. So the Adhikarana, where Prayatna is going to sit, that Adhikarana is subject to modifications. Swargam Yiyasuhu Agnihotram Yatha Vidhi Juhuyat iti evam Dehadi Utthapitasya iti Anvayata. Shloka Anvaya is given. Swargam Yiyasuhu Agnihotram Juhuyat. Swargam Yiyasuhu Yatha Vidhi Agnihotram Juhuyat. Juhuyat. Juhuyat, what is the dhatu?
Who?
Who dhatu. Who dhatu, vidhiling rupa is Juhuyat. Pratham Purusha Ekvachan. Who dhatu, Dana Dana Yoho. I think that is the meaning. Three meanings are there. Yatha Vidhi Juhuyat. As it is instructed in Vedas, accordingly he should do. Evam Dehadi Utthapitasya iti Anvaya. But this person who wants to go to Swarga, when he is outside of his body and the Karana, Dehadi and Karana, sthula sukshma upadhi, outside of that, how can that Atma be karta? So that's why it was said, कर्तृत्वम जैमिनेः कथम इति शब्दश्च एवं शब्द सामर्थ्यात् लभ्यते जैमिनेः पक्षे इत्यर्थः। जैमिनेः पक्षे कर्तृत्वम कथम लभ्यते, इन दिस वे यू शुड रीड। जैमिनेः पक्षे कर्तृत्वम आत्मनः कर्तृत्वम कथम लभ्यते। सो कर्तृत्व इन आत्मा इज निगेटेड। एवं कर्तृन्वयं निराकृत्य अधिकारान्वयं निराचष्टे प्रत्याख्याति प्रत्याख्याते इति प्रत्याख्यात इति। कर्ता अन्वय is with atma is negated. Now adhikara, atma does not have karma adhikara only. Adhikara अन्वयं निराचष्टे. So the sequence is actually like this. Vidhi. Vidhi means Shreya Sadhanatvam. Vidhi means Shreya Sadhanatvam. So when it is said that there is a Vidhi, means it is a means of some Shreya, means not moksha, some Swargadi. So when that is there, next question is, whose Shreya? So then Bhokta has to exist. Because the person who is going to get the result of that karma, he is going to get that Shreya. So that Bhokta will come first in the picture. Then next question will be, if it is for me, I will have to do karma. So then that Bhokta has to become Karta. Then he has to find out whether he has adhikara in karma or not. In this way, Kartritva, Adhikaratva, Adhikara and Bhoktritva, all of them are associated with Atma. So Karta negation is done. Now Adhikara negation. Moolam. न च प्रत्याख्यात अशेष शरीरादि कर्म साधन स्वभावस्य आत्ममात्रस्य कर्मसु अधिकारः। प्रत्याख्यात अशेष शरीरादि कर्म साधन, टीका has given the समास विग्रह। प्रत्याख्यातम अशेषम शरीरादि लक्षणम कर्म साधनम येन, बहुरी। प्रत्याख्यातम means refuted, eliminated. Ashesham shariradi lakshanam karma sadhana. All karma sadhanas like shariradi, completely, the one who has done pratyakhyanam, who has refuted that, eliminated. Tat swabhavasya ata eva atma matrasya. Tat swabhava is atma. प्रत्याख्यातम अशेषम शरीरादि लक्षणम कर्म साधनम येन सह प्रत्याख्याता शरीरादि कर्म साधनः तस्य स्वभावः आत्मा, that is आत्मा। स्वभावस्य आत्मा मात्रस्य, आत्मा alone remains without any upadhi. For such आत्मा कर्मसु न अधिकारः, अधिकार itself is not there. न कर्मसु अधिकारः इत्यर्थः। यस्मात् सर्वप्रमाणासंभाव्यो ह्यहं वृत्त्यैकसाधनः युष्मदर्थमनादित्सुर् सर्वप्रमाणासंभाव्यो यहं वृत्त्यैकसाधनः युष्मदर्थमनादित्सुर् जैमिनिः प्रेर्यते कथम्। सर्व प्रमाण असंभाव्य, मीन्स सर्व प्रमाण अगोचर, सर्व प्रमाण संभाव्यो ही अहम वृत्त्यैक साधनः, अहम वृत्ति एक साधनम यस्य, और अहम वृत्ति एक साधनम यस्य सह अहम वृत्त्यैक साधनः आत्मा युष्मदर्थम अनादित्सु,
वृत्त्या एकसाधनं च।
अहम वृत्त्या, is that how it is given? अहम वृत्ति, अहम वृत्ति युष्मदर्थम अनादित्सु, इत्सु what is the vigraha? धातुम इच्छुः, क्युदाए दाने धातु, दित्सा means धातुम इच्छा, सन प्रत्यय देर, in that takara, da is the dhatu, takara, how does takara come? There is a sutra, saha स्यार्ध धातु के, सह स्य अर्ध धातु के, तकार comes there through this sutra. See, Yushmad artha is ahankara. Anatma. Yushmad artha means anatma. Yushmad artham anaditsuhu, the one who does not take Yushmad artha, then for such person, Atma will remain pure without Yushmad artha. That Atma is Sarva Pramana Asambhavya, Sarva Pramana Agochara. And its sadhana is only when it takes some anatma, like aham vritti. But in the absence of that, Atma which is Shuddha, Jaiminehe Atma. Or Jaiminihi Katham Preriyate. Why? Because Jaiminehe Atma means Atma according to Jaimini Matam is like this. Then to such Atma, how Jaimini Maharshiji can do any Vidhi Pravartanam, Vidhi Pravritti. See in Tika. Sarva Pramana Asambhavyam means Sarva Pramana Gocharaschet Katham Vyavaharyate iti ataha Aham Vritti iti. Aham Vritti, Aham Vrittyika sadhana. Aham Vritti alone is the sadhanam. Aham Vritti eka sadhanam yasya. So you need some anatma to become adhikari for karma. Yushmadartham ahankaradi lakshanam anaditsu. Yushmadartha is ahankaradi lakshana. Anaditsuhu paramarthatah tat samsarga rahitau. Jaimini shabdavachya shariropalakshitah pratyagatma. Jaimini shabda means Jaiminehe Atma, you should understand. Huh? Means Atma according to Jaimini Maharshi, which is Paramarthatah Sansarga Rahita, devoid of all samsargas. जैमिनी शब्द वाच्य शरीरोपलक्षितः प्रत्यगात्मा कथम प्रेर्यते कथम प्रवर्त्यते विधिना, how such atma can be enjoined in any vidhi if it is devoid of aham vritti, which is yushmadartha. You see, this is very clear. Only when asmadartha and yushmadartha adhyasa is there, then I am eligible for karma. Then I can become karta. Then I can become bhokta. Then I can complain. I am this, I'm going through this, I have this problem, that problem. The moment I understand adhyasa is not possible between atma and anatma, all my problems are out, all my desires are out, nothing. Then I am Atma Ramaha, Ananda Ramanaha. प्रवर्त्यते मृत्यु वर्तने धातु, प्र उपसर्ग पूर्वक मृत्यु वर्तने धातु, निजंत प्रत्यय फर्स्ट. So Atideshika dhatu will become Varti. Then Karmani Lat. So because Yakara is there, Karmani Lat Lakara. Pravartyate. So Nijanta Karmani Lat. Pratham Purusha Ekvachana. Pravartyate. New students of Vyakarana. How is their second takara? Pravartyate. One takara should be there. Where is the other takara coming from? Okay, except for all those who are studying Lagu, except for that, any other student? No student. Okay, anybody? What is the question? Can you hear or not?
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes.
What is this is so simple question. What is the way, how come there is second takara in Vartyate?
Pachorahabhyam dve.
Achorahabhyam dve. Pravartyate vidina katham na kathanchit ityartha. According to Jaimini Maharshi ji also, that Atma cannot be enjoined in any karma. Atma preryate katham iti atma matrasya pravartyatva asambhave vaktavye api. Acharya should have said only this much. Sureshwaracharya ji should have said only this much. Atma preryate katham. Or Atma, how preranam can be there. Instead, in the shloka, what he said, Jaimini hi katham preryate. So he says, Atma preryate katham iti atma matrasya pravartyatva asambhave vaktavya api. This much he could have said, for Atma by itself cannot have any pravritti, cannot be enjoyed. Vaktavya api. Jaimini atma grahanam. Jaimini katham preryate means Jaimine he atma katham preryate. Jaimini atma grahanam tad upalambhartham. Upalambha means to do khandanam of Jaimini matam. Jaimini mata nisheda is done in this shloka. In this shloka, that if Jaimini Maharshi ji says Atma is karta, according to Jaimini Maharshi ji also Atma is akarta. Now, if Jaimini Maharshi ji or Bhattas, if they say look, this is what they said. I told you in the last session. The इत्याह नास्तिक्य निराकरिष्णुरात्मा स्थिता भाष्यकृतत्र युक्त्या. Then prayati vedanta nishavanena. So this is their matam. According to them, they say if you want to know the nature of Atma, you should study Vedanta. Our objective is only to talk about importance of karma. So their vada is establishing karma. They are not saying the nature of Atma that we say is accurate. For that, you will study Vedanta. So even according to Jaimini Maharshi ji, Atma is Niravayava, Dehadi Vyatirikta, Akarta. Atma doesn't have Anvaya with Kartritvam. Atma doesn't have Anvaya with the shloka. What did it negate?
Ashraya Adhikar.
Adhikar. Atma does not have Anvaya with Adhikar. Now, Idanim Bhoktri Anvayam Nirachaste. Now, Atma is not Bhokta also, that is said in Moolam. Pravritti Karana Bhavacha. There is no Pravritti Karanam also. Pravritti Karanasya Abhavat. What does that mean? See in Tika. Pravritti Karanam means Prayojanam. Tad Abhavat. Na Pravritti. There is no Prayojanam. Therefore, there is no Pravritti. Then the question is, Puto Prayojana Bhava. Why there is Prayojana Bhava? Ityataha Yasmat, since Sukha Dukkhadi Bhir Yoga Atmano Nahamekshate Paraktvat Pratyagatmatvat Jaiminihi Preyate Katham Sukha Dukkhadi Bhir Yoga Atmano Nahamekshate Paraktvat Pratyagatmatvat Jaiminihi Preyate Katham. So that word is Paraktvat. There is ka, after, then va, and then after. Paraktvat.
Swamiji, Naha Meshyate is also. I have
Naha.
Meshyate. Sure, not sure.
Okay. Naham. I have two readings, both are Naham Ekshyate. Ishyate is also okay. Could be Pathandara. In many of these shlokas, there are Pathandaras possible.
Looks like Patantara, Swamiji.
Tika is na Ikshyate only. Tika is on Ikshyate. Sukha Dukkhadi Bhir Yoga Atmano Naham Ikshyate. Atma, when it performs any karma, let us say it has adhikara, it becomes karta. If it performs any karma, it should have association with sukha or dukkha. Then only it can become bhokta. So he says, आत्मनः सुख दुःखादिभिः योगः अहं न ईक्ष्यते. Ahama, actually you should read it. So there is a pathantara, I think. No, ahama. Nahame is given, so you have to read ahama atmano sukha dukkhadibhir yoga na ikshyate. Ahama means by the aham. So aham vritti has sukha dukkha. Atma, which is aham, doesn't have sukha dukkhadi bhoga. Therefore, there is no association. Why? Paraktvat sukha dukkhadi are drishya. Atma is drashta. Because for any mata, when there is sukha dukkha, I experience I am sukhi, I am dukhi. Sukha came, it was there for some time, it left, I have to be present to witness the arrival and departure of Sukham. Then witness of arrival and departure of Dukkham. So Sukham, Dukkham, they are external, para. Whereas Atma is Pratyak. In Pratyak, what is the dhatu?
Ancho dhatu.
Anchu dhatu. What is that sutra? Ritvik, Dadrik, Srik,
Ushnik anchu.
Pruncham-cha. See and tell me. Ritvik, Dadrik, Srak, Dik, Ushnik, Anchu, Yuji, Krancham-cha. Twin Pratyaya comes in all these. प्रत्यगात्मत्वात् जैमिनिः कथं प्रेर्यते. टीका. आत्मनः सुख दुःखादिभिर् योगो नास्ति यस्मात् तस्माद् इत्यर्थः. Because Atma does not have sukha dukkhadibhihi yoga, association with sukha dukha, etc. How Atma doesn't have sukha dukkhadi yoga? Nanu katham sukha dukkhadibhihi ayogaha sukhi aham dukhi aham iti sukha dukkhadi sambandha anubhavat. I am sukhi, I am dukhi, this anubhava is there 24 hours. How do you say Atma doesn't have sukha dukkhadi sambandha? Iti ashankya ahama iti. Ahama, seen tika. Ahama antakaranena sukha dukhadehe sambandha. Sukha dukhadi sambandha is with aham. Aham means either you say sabhasa antakaranam or you say aham vritti, simple if you want to understand. Sabhasa antakaranena sukha dukhadehe sambandha. Sukhi aham ityadau ikshyate. It is seen in that. So, Atma is Pratyak. Atma doesn't have sambandha with Sukha Dukkha. Ahama Paraktvat Sukha Dukkhadibhir Yoga Ikshyate. Sukha Dukkha association is with Antakarana. न तो आत्मना इत्यर्थः. कुतः आत्मना न ईक्ष्यते इति अतः अपराक्त्वात्. Because sukha dukha are external. Sukhadinam sakshyattvena paraktvat. Atmanascha sakshittvena pratyaktvat. Sukha dukhadi are sakshya, they are drishya. only if this much we understand, any dukkham comes, I am sakshi only, it is not me. Sukhadinam sakshatvena, parakva, they are external. Atma is sakshitvena pratyakva. Tesham parag rupantakarana parinamatvat atma dharmatva anupapattir ityartha. Tesham
Sukha dukkadina.
sukha dukkhadinam parag rupa antakara parinamatva. It is external. They are antakarana parinama. That cannot be dharma of Atma. Atma dharmatva anupapattir ityartha. 94th shloka is over. Kincha, moreover. सीन्टिका भोग साधनैहि संबंध असंभवात् अपि आत्मनो अभोक्तृत्वम् तथा हि असंगत्वाद् आत्मनो अहं प्रत्यालंबनेन शरीरेणापि न संबंधो अस्ति. भोग साधनैहि संबंध असंभवात्. Atma doesn't have sambandha with bhoga sadhana. Bhoga sadhana means this shariradi, if you take sharira, indriya, all the limbs, etc. Atma doesn't have sambandha. Sambandha asambhava. What to talk of external bhoga sadhana, like air conditioning or any fan, there is no sambandha. Atmano abhoktritvam. So akartritvam, anadhikaratvam, abhoktritvam, everything is done. Tatha hi asangatvat, and according to Vedanta Mata, Atma is asanga. Asangatvat, Atmano aham pratyaya alambanena. Aham pratyaya alambana, here, aham pratyaya alambana is not translated as Atma. Aham pratyaya alambana is translated as Sharira. Sharirena. Aham pratyaya alambana Sharira. Where is it said? How can you take that meaning?
एको वशिष्ठ शिव केवलो
Hmm?
तद एको वशिष्ठ शिव केवलोहम. That aham is aham pratyalam.
But that is Atma.
Yes.
So where it is said aham pratyaya alambana is Sharira, because here you see they are given samanadhikaranya. Aham pratyaya alambanena sharirena api. Aham pratyaya alambana is Sharira is given in Bhagavad Gita 18th chapter. Adhishthanam tatha karta karanam cha prathak vidam. Then vividhascha prathak cheshta.
Daivam chaivatra panchamam.
In that adhishthanam is shariram. So aham pratyaya alambana here means sharira, which is the adhishthanam where aham pratyaya is expressing. Aham pratyaya alambanena sharirenapi na sambandho asti. Aham pratyaya analambanaihi punar vishayehi shabdadibihi atishayena nasti sambandha. If aham pratyaya alambana sharira and atma doesn't have sambandha, what to talk of aham pratyaya analambana, which is Vishaya, because in Swarga all the Vishayas are there, Bhog Vishayas. How can Atma have association with all those Bhogya Padarthas in Swarga? It is not going to happen. Aham pratyaya analambanaihi punar vishayehi shabdadibihi atishayena nasti sambandha. Atmana. Atma and Vishaya, there is no sambandha. Atma and Sharira itself, sambandha is not there. Atma and Vishaya, what is far-fetched idea. Tatha sati swargadau katham asya sukhadina sambandha syat. Having gone to Swarga, imagine if you reach Swarga, there is so much to enjoy, and then you find out that, no, but you cannot enjoy because you are abhokta. Somehow you find out. तथा सति स्वर्गादौ कथम अस्य सुखादिना संबंध, हाउ ही विल हैव संबंध विथ सुखादि, बिकॉज देयर इज नो संबंध विथ विषय। याह किंच इति न तावत्। So tika we have completed, shloka we will see. We can see the shloka. Natavad yoga evasti sharirenatmana sada vishayed durato nasti swargadau syat katham sukham. नतावद योग एवास्ति शरीरेणात्मना सदा विषयैर्दूरतो नास्ति स्वर्गादौ स्यात् कथं सुखम्। आत्मनः तावत् शरीरेण एव सदा योग नास्ति, विषयैः स्वर्गादौ अविषयैः दूरतो नास्ति स्वर्गादौ कथम सुखम स्यात्। Atma doesn't have any association with Sharira itself at any time. What to talk of Sambandha with Vishaya? Then, having gone to Swarga, how will he have Sukham? Swarga Sukham. So, none of this is possible, none of this is available to Atma. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्ति भेद विभागिने व्योमवद् व्याप्त देहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।